What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this 2025 Toyota Tundra remote key fob. This Toyota Tundra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my Tundra key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now, if we look near that space where this key just slid out of, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key, this little slot. And if you notice, the end of this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that slot like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Then I'll flip my key fob so the buttons are facing down and pull the back off. And we can see our battery right here. And now I'll use the end of my key to get under the edge of the battery right here and pop it out of that holder. Grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first right down here like this. And then snap that down into place. And then if your circuit board is moved around at all like mine did, get it sitting back down in that clear rubber piece like that, like it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.